how to turn on or turn off edge lighting style for pop-up notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications. In here, tap on notification pop-up style. And now make sure you select brief as a pop-up style. Then we go down and tap on edge lighting style. If you select details, then it will not show that option. So make sure you select brief, then tap on edge lighting style. To turn it off, you select none, then tap on done, and that will switch it off. Here, to turn it on, you can select one of the available effects, such as basic, glitter, heart. So here you can see it will show a demo at the top here with the heart icon. Firework, so here it will show firework at the top. Eclipse, echo on the side, the effects will be on the side of the phone. Spotlight, the effects will be at the top here. So there are 8 different options available for you to choose. Then you got color. You can select a color that you would like to use, or you can select auto. And advanced will allow you to change the transparency and duration of your pop-up. After tap on done, and it is now turned on. So if I send a text, you can see that it will pop up with the effects. Now at the moment it does not show the effects, so we might not have saved it. So let's double check. So let's choose spotlight. It's done. Color, auto, advanced. So duration is long. So tap on done. And then I'll go back and I'll send myself a text again. Let's see if it works this time. So still no edge. It is showing there actually at the top. Not that much, but it shows at the top there. So if I go in and change to a different one. So glitter around the screen. So we'll glitter around the screen instead of just at the top there, because it's quite faded at the top. We couldn't really see it. So let's select glitter and then tap on done. So here it will glitter around the edge of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.